Experiencing audio loss in one ear of your HyperX Cloud 2 headset. This is actually a very common problem that affects many users. This issue typically stems from three main causes: cable problems, which account for about 60% of cases, driver or speaker failures at 25%, and software configuration issues at 15%. The first diagnostic step is to check your Windows audio balance settings. Open your sound settings and look for the balance slider to ensure it's centered and not skewed to one side. Next, test your headset on multiple devices. Try connecting it to your phone, gaming console, or another computer. This helps determine if the problem is with the headset itself or your original device. The third step involves carefully manipulating the cable while audio is playing. Gently bend and twist the cable, paying special attention to areas near the headset entry point and connectors, as these are common failure spots. Finally, try different audio ports and USB connections. Test various USB ports on your computer, and if your headset has both USB and 3.5mm connections, try switching between them to isolate port-specific issues. Now that you've identified the problem, here are the most effective solutions to fix your HyperX Cloud 2 audio issue, starting with the simplest software fixes. First, update your motherboard audio drivers from the manufacturer's website. Reinstall the HyperX Ingenuity software to ensure proper headset recognition. Also run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter to automatically detect and fix common issues. Next, disable audio enhancements that can cause conflicts. Open Windows sound settings and turn off spatial audio, loudness equalization, and other audio enhancements. For hardware issues, start by cleaning the 3.5mm audio jacks with isopropyl alcohol. Corrosion and dirt buildup can cause connection problems. If you've identified a cable break, you have several repair options. For temporary fixes, use electrical tape to secure loose connections. For permanent solutions, you can solder new connectors or bypass the USB sound card entirely. Prevention is key to avoiding future issues. Implement proper cable management using clips or loops, store your headset properly by hanging rather than coiling, and perform regular maintenance cleaning. Finally, consider the economics of repair versus replacement. Cable repairs have a 65% success rate and cost $5 to $15 for DIY fixes. Professional repairs cost $30 to $50, while a new headset costs $60 to $80. Choose based on your technical comfort level and budget.